joy knowing that we won't. We have Christ as our Redeemer. All right, lastly, the last verse I have for you is out of 1 Peter. You're supposed to say thank God when I say it's the last verse.
Praise God.
I don't know, brother. That didn't work. I appreciate your enthusiasm. I mean, Tim was thinking it, but you said thank God on the last verse. Man, let's begin Revelation 1. Y'all hear that? That's called laughter.
Amen.
Those three boys drive me into these crazy from time to time. But they do a lot of what y'all were just doing, just laughing out loud. And we've all known, we've heard all our life, laughter is what?
Good medicine.
Like good medicine. It's good for the soul. So, I'm glad he said that, and I'm glad I said that, because it calls you to laugh, it calls you to smile. And listen, if we can't come to God's house and laugh, have some joy, we're in the wrong place.
Amen.
We're in the wrong place. So 1 Peter 1,